Cloudera customers understand the potential impact of data and AI anywhere on their respective businesses. But what is the ultimate impact of all of this effort and investment on each of us in our daily lives? The ability to check your car's diagnostics on your phone in the morning before your commute, or alerting you to take the train when the weather is bad. Getting goods to their destinations on time, and making sure grocery stores have just what you need, fresh and in stock. Calls are clear as a bell in far reaches of the world due to network analytics. Streaming quality is optimized so you can enjoy your shows with family. Prescriptions are ready for your elderly grandparents with the latest drugs to help keep them healthy. Or when your bank alerts you to potential fraudulent activity that you are able to review and take action on your mobile device. These are just a few examples of how data and AI anywhere combine to deliver memorable and tangible experiences for everyday people.